This next dish is really interesting because it's very ancient in many ways. It's also got some religious significance, but it's also a superfood in its own right. So it's called Varvara, which is kind of a wheat pudding. In its own right, it's a total superfood, right?
Wheat is in the base of the Mediterranean nutrition pyramid, so it's a very important food for us.
Okay.
And add here the boiling water for approximately 30 minutes.
No soaking or anything?
No. We are going to add some petimezi here.
Oh, we call this grape molasses in English.
And it's a very, very nice way to sweeten your dishes.
And I know, as a woman of a certain age, that it's very rich in iron and really good for you.
But we don't use it a lot.
I use it in salad dressings.
Ah, okay. So let's go with the raisins.
Why are raisins a superfood?
Raisins is a great superfood because of its iron, and they also have zinc. Really, really important for athletes and for normal people. Now we will need to have the figs and the pistachios and the walnuts.
Oh, they're all going in now.
Everything goes inside. I will add a little bit of cinnamon now, which goes great with all these flavors.
So asures or Varvara, it's definitely got pagan roots, this dish. Wheat is very symbolic food.
Yeah. Let's go with the orange zest in.
So this dish is made traditionally to celebrate the name day of Saint Barbara on December 4th.
Yeah, exactly.
And I know that because I'm the child of Greek parochial schools.
Okay. So figs go in, and then we go with the walnuts and with the pistachios. And given the chance here to talk a little bit about pistachios, which in Greek we say Tbsp Aegina.
Tbsp Aegina, from Aegina.
From Aegina, which is the island that is really, really close to Piraeus. And we have this amazing produce from this island. This produce, this nut, is very, very low in fat and really low, for nuts generally. It's the lowest in calories and the lowest in fat. All the other nuts have more calories and fat than pistachio, than Tbsp Aegina.
I didn't know that. Yeah. Okay. They're also totally addictive. So you want these to be coarsely chopped?
Coarsely, exactly.
Okay.
Not fine. For the end, we have the toppings, the sesame seeds and pomegranate.
To me, this would be a perfect breakfast.
Yeah, it is a good breakfast because it has a good protein value, not too many calories. Thank you, Diane.
You're welcome. Here, there are a few stragglers here.
Look at this, it thickened a lot. And we will use at the end the cornstarch in order to have it thicken.
Bring it together.
Exactly, and we just need the walnuts now.
Oh, you need these also to be chopped, right?
You can keep some for garnish.
I'll keep 2 pieces for garnish. The orange smells really good.
And it's a good addition, the zest, the orange. Perfect.
And why are walnuts good for us?
All nuts are good, but because they have omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, in moderation they help to reduce the cholesterol levels. We're almost ready. It will thicken a little bit with the cornstarch. Perfect.
And at what point does this go in?
At any point from now on, so we add a little bit of hot water here. Nice.
And this is really easy. You just cook this until it becomes thick, essentially, right?
In 2 or 5 minutes from now.
Looks great. In terms of the Mediterranean diet, the Greek diet, desserts tend not to be part of a meal, right?
Best thing is to leave a gap of 2 hours, and then have your dessert, which is not what we do in everyday life.
That's a long Greek meal.
Yeah. It's thickened, it's perfect, it doesn't need any more cooking. It's ready to be served. Yes. So easy.
I'm really curious to see the texture of this.
We can try, it's ready.
For sure. It's really dense and luscious and juicy.
We can add some extra cinnamon and the pomegranates and the sesame.
I love pomegranate, and I use it a lot in all sorts of dishes. I eat a lot of it for breakfast with yogurt. So a little bit of sesame. I'm just going to do this with my hands, okay? We just sprinkle some pomegranate.
Such a difficult word. It's rodi in Greek.
Pomegranate. Rodi is easy in Greek, yeah. And the sesame seeds. And these are toasted. And sesame is also extremely nutritious.
It is, it is.
Packed
We
with-
make tahini, which we love.
I love tahini. That's the sesame paste. And what sesame is also very good, it's filled with calcium, right?
Yes.
A little cinnamon, right?
Of course. Thank you. Let's have a taste now. It's hot.
It's great. What I love about this is that it's not too sweet.
Yes.
There's enough sweetness to satisfy the urge to have something sweet. Because also the raisins and the figs are sweet. I love the freshness of the pomegranate with the warmth of the wheat. This is great.
Yeah, it's great for breakfast, it's great for a snack, it's great for any time you have a craving for something sweet. It's perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.